today is the first of 5 workshops that we're having. It's for new funding that's been received from federal government for youth complex services. So that covers eating disorders, personality disorders, early psychosis, and things like major depression. It's specifically for young people 12 to 25 years of age. We've engaged Orygen, who are the Youth Centre Excellence of Australia. They've actually been funded by the federal government to support the primary health networks in regards to youth complex. And we also have Professor Pat McGorry, who is Australian of the Year, and he also started and designed all the Headspace centres, and he's now currently the CEO of Orygen. So we're very grateful and appreciative to have that type of subject matter expertise to help us design and develop these services.
So I guess our role here today is, as Orygen, as the National Centre of Excellence in Youth Mental Health, is to try and, I guess, facilitate some discussion around what people are thinking locally is needed for young people with sort of severe and complex mental health presentations. So there's an opportunity to think about providing sort of new services to this particular population group. One of the other things that's going to be critical is how do you get the sort of service mix right in terms of servicing young people, you know, in sort of the more densely populated areas versus those in much more sparsely populated areas. So part of, I guess, what we want to hear today is what might be some of the solutions in relation to that, given we're going to be looking at, you know, providing new services in those areas.
So following this workshop, we'll be having one in Glen Innes, Narrabri, Upper Hunter, Muswellbrook and Wyong. And those workshops will involve young people, our service providers, consumers, carers, clinicians. So we're going to be hearing from everybody that will some way interact with this service. So it will help ensure that the service does become regional specific and provide more support in those communities for young people. The workshops that we're having will mirror on our social media site, which is called People Bank. So I'd encourage anybody that can't make it to a workshop to log on and link into People Bank. The questions that we cover in the workshops will be mirrored on that website, so that's how people can contribute.